Hey guys, and welcome back. So, after work, out for a ride. Now you're going to have to excuse the windscreen, it is a bit dirty. I was out earlier doing a bit of some shopping, and well, what can I say, bugs die. We're just going to go out for just a blast. It's been a long day, the sun's out, it's nice, it's warm, it's very warm. It is, let's have a look, 28.5 at the moment, so that is quite warm. And it'd be nice to have just a little bit of air. So put the visor down, and I've got the new Rode microphone, so hopefully it's working and we can hear me. If we can't, fuck it, I'm going to enjoy the ride anyway. And having that shot of air going through is wonderful. Didn't manage to get through in time. This is nice, with a cool air, good breeze, good sun, good road, amazing bike. Now I haven't forgot the video that I'm going to talk about the System 7, the carbon fibre helmet. You'll get all the honest review. You'll get the good points, the bad points. And whether it's actually worth buying it, or in my case, 3. I've got one, the girlfriend's got one. Actually, I've got 2, the girlfriend's got 1. So I actually have 2 identical System 7s. One with a GoPro, one without. So the one without is the one you're going to be looking at later. Never trust a Golf. actually riding in jeans and a jumper. It's that warm. It's a very thin cotton jumper. It's a bit thicker than a t-shirt, but not as thick as a leather or anything else, because I actually needed a bit of through air, so I went for a jumper. I always said I would never ride like this, but today it's been all so hot that I couldn't really have stayed up right if I'd have gone into a full riding gear. But hey, I can't complain. So because I'm not fully protected, I'm doing a safe route that I know really well. And I am riding slightly slower. So I'm being a little bit sensible. Yeehaw! I hope you guys are all having a great day and being able to ride as much as you can. But I do understand it's hot and having to wear bike gear is difficult. Now I'm wearing summer weight rivets, so they are they are slightly armoured. Well, no, they are very armoured. You get about 9 seconds of drag wear going across the road if you're thrown up the road. So it's about the same as leather. You get about 9 seconds, which is not too bad. Beautiful blue skies.